guys, so day 22 have me in the doctor's office. So I had to go to an eye specialist because of the blur vision I had in 2021 that I never got a full assessment for. I know that's terrible, but now that I come out, y'all, my eyes just look strange. It feels strange, but I had to take care of my eyes, so I'm glad everything came out really good. There's no issues, and my eye prescription is exactly the same. So tomorrow, or maybe even today, I'm gonna go back to the. No, tomorrow I'm supposed to go back to the my other eye doctor so I can get my prescription. So we'll see what kind of glasses I get tomorrow. But right now I am hungry, and I'm gonna walk these streets, and hopefully this thing wear off. It says it's supposed to be a couple of hours. So I don't know. I can see, but I don't know if I want to really do any reading right now. But we're gonna walk around and get something to eat. And yeah, I'm in the city, guys. I'm in the city. Y'all guys, I cannot see. Everything is blurry. And that's salsa, right? Yes. Yeah, that's. I wouldn't be able to drink that off. Thank you, though. Hey guys, I'm awake. I am back. So basically what happened was the solution that they put in your eyes. I mean, if you guys have ever been to eye specialists, you know they check for everything, you know, literally thorough examination of your eyes. And so I'm very happy my eyes are normal. No new or any difference actually at all to my eyesight. So I get to have, again, now I'm up to 4 because last year was the same. So tomorrow I have to go back to get the new glasses that I want to select for this year. And I am glad that I do not have to change this prescription. So I get to rock these that I still love, my other ones, and then I will be getting some more. So I will take you with you guys tomorrow when I go for my appointment to get that. Now, the thing that they put in my eyes, it gives you blur vision for a little bit, and it was just a little bit much, and I was exhausted. Then I did a lot of walking because my it's so funny that they all are on me. They all are on me, and I really appreciate it. But it was the whole, you know what you need to do. You need to get it together because we don't want you to have any problems like you had. So if you are new to my channel in 2021, I had severe blur vision for about 6 weeks. Literally had to get bifocal glasses. So because of that, I have to monitor my eyes to make sure that, one, it didn't have any long-term effect, which I'm glad it didn't, and two, that it won't occur again. So that's what this is. So as somebody who reads a lot, somebody who is a big-time crafter, you know how important to have good eyesight. So I have to take it seriously. So this is another self-care moment for me, and it's tomorrow be my last for the month. I do have one more doctor's appointment in January, which I'm surprised. Well, I'm not surprised, but I'm upset because it was supposed to be this month, because I really like to do all my stuff in 1 month. As far as my gum, feel a little better. It's not 100% yet, but it's supposed to be a 15-day situation. I still have a few more days. Yeah. So that's the update, guys. I know it's probably like, you gotta go eye specialist. Yeah, girl. Yeah. So right now, I have my desk over here, my computer. I just watched Belinda Nook reading Nooks. Put it here, sorry. And thank you for the shout out, guys. I don't even know. I'm so out of it. Thank you for the shout out. I really appreciate it. I've been watching your videos, and I've been following you for years. So so I feel good to be among all the other women that she mentioned. So go check out that video. And I'll put, again, go check out her channel. She's super cool. So I did read, but not the book I said I was gonna read. I started it and then I realized so I'm glad I bought this book with me. So I bought this book with me, Company, and Shannon Sanders. This is a short story collection, and it is a family story, because I've read 3 stories, and it makes sense because I'm looking at the synopsis. It does say the family and the acquaintances. So yeah, and I read 3 stories in here so far, and they're really good. I'm enjoying this. It started out with the first one, which is, let me get the list, the good men, and this is the 2 brothers, and I love how you get to learn a little bit about their dynamic with the family and one brother's issue. And then there's how it ended. It was like they're at a location. And then Bird of Paradise was another one where that one family member who was kind of like keeping up with the Jones kind of thing, and feel a certain way about her family members coming around certain people. I thought that was funny. I laughed. And then there's the Keepers, and that one was interesting. To the suburban life, kind of keeping up with the Jonas kind of thing. It has similar themes. So far I like that, because a lot of times when you get like short story collection, the themes don't make sense. But I like this, that it had a theme so far. So yeah, we're gonna continue reading this. I will take it with me, and I might be able to finish this tomorrow. They're not that you know. And I'll be out and about tomorrow, and I will just have this with me. I don't know how much I'm gonna get stuff done tomorrow, because tomorrow is sort of, I have some stuff planned, and then the following day I gotta bake. Yeah, so have to bake the following day. Have to bake. I initially was gonna bake tomorrow, but I realized I'm not gonna be able to, so I have to bake the following day, so that I'll at least have the cake and the pie ready. Because I don't want to bake on Christmas Eve. I'm avoiding that. Christmas Eve I like to chill. So yeah. So I'll let you guys know how it panned out. But it's one of the debut that was sent to me. So yeah. So alright guys, I am going to do some journaling. I have my journals spread already ready to go. And then I am going to get some reading done and relax. I hope I don't stay up all night, because that nap turned into a real sleep. And yeah, so all right guys, see you in a few. See you tomorrow. All right guys, bye.